To activate eSIM on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first you want to go to Settings. Over here choose Network and Internet, and then here you should be able to find the SIMs option. And you might be able to tap on the Add SIM button. It might be necessary to do so. Unless you don't have any SIM whatsoever, then most likely you will find this screen instead. So once you have the option to set up an eSIM, then of course you can use this button. You also have the option to transfer a SIM from another device. In my case, I'm gonna set up an eSIM. Soon we should be able to open the QR code scanner, so we can of course scan the QR code that you probably have got from the operator. You can also scan the QR code from a photo. If you take a picture of your QR code or a screenshot, then of course you can use it over here. And also if you go to these troubleshooting steps over here, then you can enter the activation code. So let me just quickly scan my QR code over here. And there we go. Now you can begin the setup. You can just tap on the setup button and follow all the instructions that you will see on this screen. And let's wait for it to be done. There we go. Now we can go back to settings and you will need to activate your eSIM. I mean, it's possible that you will have to activate it. So you can tap on this switcher and you might need to choose SIM preferences after that. So you can just go through all of these options and you can choose which SIM should be used primarily for all of these three things. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.